Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.